Now that we've made some progress, I'm going to plug in my ANCEL code reader, which is today's video sponsor as well. That's a good start. My OBD2 port does in fact work. If you're looking for a diagnostic tool for your vehicle, look no further than this ANCEL BD310 unit. It's really easy to use. DTC's in this ECU 1. Let's read some codes. Turbocharger, supercharger, boost, sensor A, circuit high. I don't exactly know what that means. I'm guessing just because I don't have certain things hooked up. No pending codes. And clearing fault codes is as easy as pressing a few buttons. Alright, so that's cleared. This little unit can read and clear engine fault codes and also view live data. And what's also really cool about it is you don't have to use this handheld unit if you don't want to. You can actually connect your phone via Bluetooth. Somehow, and I guess because the cars only ran for a few seconds, it only had one fault code. But no matter how many fault codes there are, this ANCEL unit would be able to read them and clear them, as well as view a whole bunch of live data and do other things. And like I said, whether you want to use your phone or the unit itself, it's totally up to you. It's very, very cool that you can just plug it in, and it also works via Bluetooth with your phone if you download the app. How cool is that? Very, very handy. I'll have a link in the description for this. Make sure to check them out.